A little nicer today here at the lakefront. I just finished up some real estate shoots here in Michigan City. Figured we'd run out here and check out the lakefront real quick. Hopefully there's some shelf ice starting to form and maybe a little ice on the pier. Not as windy today. People out here. Seeing some shelf ice, a little bit there starting. A couple of people out there braving the cold. A little bit of ice everywhere. So we'll get the drone out, do some flying. Got it. Already ready here in the seat. Parking lot's nice and clear.